Hello friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review LaCie Rugged USB-C external hard disk, which is 5 TB capacity. There are different capacities are available. So I will tag the product in the video description so that you can check it as well as in the video. So this is how the packaging looks like. It looks really nice. So we will go into detail later. So first I keep it. So inside the box, what are the things are available? So once I open this particular box, so there is an information sheet you can see like how to use and user manual. So make sure you read it. So it will be useful for using it to the optimum performance. And then you can see there is a Type-C cable is there. So you can see both the ends are Type-C. So which is very solid and strong, which I can say that. So we keep it over this stuff there. And let's go to our hard drive. So there is a plastic good strong covering is given for protection against transport and all. So you can see there is a LaCie branding is given. It's a good aluminum body and there's a Type-C connecting area and which is protected very good by there is a silicon thing. So you can see when I hit it also it was always protecting this particular stuff and designed by Neil Bolton or something mentioned who is designed and all. So it feels little heavy. So I will show that how much it weighs. So let's take a normal weighing machine. So which is in grams. So let me put it this thing. So you can see that it's around 327 and 7 or 327 and 8. So maybe there is some 0.1 gram difference can be there. So it's pretty cool. So this is how much it weighs. And for content creators, like it is very essential. So if you are traveling and you have to use your camera, frequently you have to back up your camera, memory card. So it is very easy for carrying something rugged like this because traveling is always messy. But if you use a normal hard disk, maybe there is a chance of some accidents or something. So this is for the content creators. They can safe and securely save their content. So all the speed details and everything you can see in this particular stuff. I think so. So this is how the packaging comes with. There are some information like USB-C you can use, protective aluminum thing is there, and drive status LED, like there is an LED status is there when it is on. So this is all about this particular product. So if you like this product, please give a thumbs up, or you can check the price details in the video as well as in the video description. So any questions, please comment on the video. Thanks a lot for watching this. Have a great day. Bye bye.